All right, gang, today we're going to be talking about APQP, but we want to talk about working with APQP in 2023 and kind of beyond. The game has changed a little bit. If you went back to the 2000s, let's say, and even 10 years ago, a lot of other customers were using the default APQP manual. The 5 phases, the inputs, the outputs. But one of the things that we're going to talk about today is how trends are changing, and for organizations that are bringing on new jobs, the customer-specific requirements are becoming more and more part of the world in how you launch programs. So while it's been true that certain OEMs always had certain phases, certain deliverables, and certain forms for when you launched a program, we're seeing now some different things, such as Ford's requirements for new programs for living FMEA, the use of the Family Foundational, and some form of a software. So when you launch a program, you need to be more aware of the customer-specific requirements, including even methodologies that they may use, and we are seeing the beginning for customer specifics to have individuals at your organization certified to these customer-specific methods. So that is going to be a big thing that's starting this year, and we believe this trend is going to continue far beyond 2023. So definitely pay attention to your CSRs when you bring on new jobs, and when it comes to program management, the CSRs are going to play more and more a role earlier and earlier in the product development cycle than they have in previous years. So that's all I got on that. I don't want to spend too much time, but I do want to tell you that the game is shifting a little bit, and those generic APQP based requirements that we're comfortable with are shifting to more customer specifics. So if you'd like to kind of stay up to date, you want a little more on this, go ahead and check out plexusintl.com for more tips, tricks, and news in the area of manufacturing, automotive, and aerospace. All right, we'll see you in the next one.